Datin Seri Rosmah Mansor has been acquitted by the High Court of 12 counts of money laundering involving 7 million ringgit and 5 counts of failing to declare her income to the Inland Revenue Board. Justice K. Muniandy issued the order of discharge and acquittal after granting Rosmah's application to dismiss all charges on the basis that they were flawed. Rosmah was represented by lawyers Datuk Firoz Hussain Ahmad Jamaluddin and Amir Hamza Arshad.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are very, very delighted that our client, Datin Seri Rosmah, has been fully acquitted of all the charges against her. She has today, the interest of justice has been served because she has faced these charges which we say are totally unwarranted. For the last 6 years she has endured the proceedings, but we must thank the court as well for recognizing the baseless nature of the charges as framed against our client. So to cut it short, we are absolutely thrilled and delighted and thankful for the decision today. Justice has been finally served, and I will also let my friend Chair Amir here, who will also comment a little further on the details of the charge. Sorry.
Okay, thank you, Dr. First and foremost, congratulations to Datin Seri. I think this decision is something that we have been waiting for. We have from day one, upon studying the charges, of the view that they do not form any basis of an AMLA charges. And we had ventilated arguments highlighting to the judge that whatever particulars that they have stipulated in the charges do not by any stretch of the imagination could be considered as AMLA charges. The judges had painstakingly gone through all the legal arguments that we have put forward from the legal and technical point of view, as well as from the basis of the charges. The judge is satisfied that the charges do not disclose any transaction to show that there were money laundering activities, do not show any elements of the money laundering offences, and they are overlapping issues with regard to other offences. I think those issues would, have been highlighted by Encik Reza.
Yeah.
And I think he can continue to explain on that aspect.
I can continue to explain. Now, one of the bases of the charges against Datin Seri was on the pretext that she did not declare income tax. Now, this is very important for me to state here that the court today found that those charges are premature because there's never any finding that she had to pay tax on these amounts, and therefore it cannot be sustained in law and was badly drafted and the charges were wrongly brought against her. So that is the basis upon which the decision with regards to the tax is made. Then that has a knock-on effect on the other charges which were brought to her against her from charges 1 to 12, if I'm not mistaken. So hence we welcome the decision, we thank you the court, and we congratulate the client. That's it.
Yes,
So
we're very happy.
We want to make it clear that this decision was made after hearing full legal arguments from the defense side as well as the prosecution side. So this is not some sort of DNA situation. This is a complete discharge and acquittal upon hearing the merits of the arguments. So yes, she's entitled to be acquitted, and we're happy for our client.
Yes.
The former Prime Minister's wife filed the application to strike out the charges in September 2023. The hearing commenced on December 12th of the same year, following partial proceedings during which 2 witnesses had testified.
Just to get a good snapshot.